Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to remote learning. Boys and girls, this is third week of remote learning and we have started our second lesson of grade 2 social studies. We have started our unit number 7 and the chapter is chapter number 16, important places. This is page number 46 of your reading book. Before I start the revision and the further discussion, you people don't forget to keep your books, skill books and stationery items with you so that you may do the written work once I complete the chapter. Thank you. Let's start the revision. Students, we have discussed that there are many types of places in the area where we live. There are many big cities and small cities within our country. There are villages, small towns, and small areas. But wherever we go, wherever we live, we can find some important places around us. For example, if you are living in a big city, you can find a small or big market around you. Prayer areas like mosque, churches or temples, playgrounds, hospitals, parks, and sometimes the places like hotels and entertainment areas like cinema halls, etc. So, such places are found everywhere within a country, whether you are living in a big city or in a smaller city. In our previous lesson, we also talked about that there are certain important places within the big cities which are railway stations and airports. Even railway station could be seen in the smaller cities, but the airports are only found in the big cities. We discussed about the important place like market. There are many kinds of market which could be found around you and me. A market is an area where people come to sell or buy the things. Some markets have only one kind of goods to be sold. For example, fish market. Here we can see only the seafood. In the same way, in the meat market, we can find only the meat, and some markets are here where we can shop many kind of stuff. For example, in the supermarkets or malls, we can buy many kinds of things under one roof. Packages Mall, Al Fateh, Jalal Sons, and many other super malls are the example of such kind of market from where we can buy many types of things. We also discussed that in some markets there are the areas where the shopping could be done only once or twice a week. For example, in the big cities like Lahore, Karachi and Islamabad, we can find certain markets which are held only for once or twice a day in a week. For example, Sunday market, then Friday markets, etc. People living in the other areas, they may come there to buy and sell their goods. We talked about the important place like the post office. This is page number 47 of your reading book. You can see the picture of big shopping mall. No, this is the post office. We are talking about the post office. So you can see the picture of a big building of post office. This is the post office which is in Karachi, Sadr. So it is a place where people come and they either buy the stamps or envelopes, or they send their important documents or parcels to the other places. And this is called the mail. You can buy stamps, you can buy envelopes, and then you can paste it. We have already discussed how it is done. After pasting, it is posted in the post box, which is like this. It might be red, blue, or sometime green in color, might be some other color like yellow. So a postman comes once or twice in a week, or sometime he may come daily. He collects the parcels, letters, envelopes, or mails from this box, and then he delivers it where the address is written about. For example, if you are sending any postcard, mean any birthday card or wish card, to any of your friend, you have to write the address like this. Postman will read the address and then he will deliver it to the relative person. In the same way, the parcels, they also have the address where they are going to be sent. So this is how the mails are sent from one place to another through post office and by postman. So this was page number 47. What you have to do, go through these pages 46 and 47 and then do the written work. So here is the written work for you for today. This is page number 21 of your skill book. Don't forget to write down the date at the top of your page. This is page number 21. Let's read the first question. Is there any market near your house? Where? What does it sell? Yes, I have a market near my house. It sells all things needed in a daily routine. Next question is, make a list of 8 things you can buy there. So fruits, vegetables, meat, shampoo, soap, tea, cake, bun, bread, pizza and cold drinks could be bought from any market. There is another question. Have you been there to a post office? Why? Yes, I have been there. I went to post the letters there. So turn the page, page number 22. There is another question. What did you see there? It is about post office. I saw a post box and post office there. Now, how do you think does the post office send and receive the mail? Postman collect the letters from letter box and then delivers them. Some letters are sent by train or aeroplane to the other cities. For example, if your friend lives in the other city like Karachi, then the postman will deliver it to the train or aeroplane. If it is required to be sent quickly or urgently, it must be sent through aeroplane as well. So this is how the letters, the parcels and important mails are sent to the other cities with the help of train or aeroplanes. Now there are few important places. Here are the pictures of some important places in your city, and it might be in some other city. For example, Faisal Mosque. This is the picture of Faisal Mosque. It is in Islamabad. Here is the building of school. This is Minar-e-Pakistan. This is hospital, and this is Lahore Fort, which is in Lahore. Minar-e-Pakistan and Lahore Fort, they are in Lahore, and Faisal Mosque is in Islamabad. So last page, page number 24, it is having some information. Take the things which are situated near you. Hospital, yes. Post office, yes. Market, yes. Police station, yes. School, yes. Then bank, okay, this is here. Library, of course your school has library. Mosque, and then hotels. So that is all for today. Do your work and submit it in the Google Classroom timely. See you soon inshallah. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.